Meaning of gauntness.
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 Gauntness. Gauntness refers to a physical appearance characterized by extreme thinness and sharp, often visible bones in the face and body. It is commonly associated with malnutrition and illness. A gaunt person's skin may appear tight against their bones, and their eyes and cheeks may look sunken. The lack of body fat and muscle mass can make them appear weak or sickly. Gauntness can also be used figuratively to describe something that is barren, desolate, or austere. In general, gauntness is a condition that is often viewed as unhealthy and unattractive.